Lumen fiber optic connectors from Legrand Ortronics, bringing new light to fiber field installations with unmatched ease and reliability. Lumen pre-polished connectors can be installed in 2 minutes or less on a prepared optical fiber without the need for special installation tools or equipment. Before we begin, let's take a moment to review some important safety precautions. Number 1. Never look into the end of a connector, a bare fiber, or an open LAN port unless you are absolutely positive that no signal is present. The laser, LED, or UV light can be very damaging to your eyes. Number 2. Always wear safety glasses and be cautious with any tiny shards of fiber that could easily injure your vision or penetrate your skin. Number 3. Ventilate your work area well. The fumes of many solvents are toxic and could be explosive near a fusion splicer or any piece of electrical equipment. Never use a fusion splicer if there is a strong smell of solvent. Another important reminder is the importance of cleanliness. Even the tiniest particles of dust can interfere with a successful termination. Remember to clean your work area and use isopropyl alcohol on lint-free wipes to clean connectors before plugging them in. You should also keep dust caps on your connectors at all times unless you are actively using them. To get started, let's review the tools and materials you'll need. Safety glasses. Isopropyl alcohol lint-free wipes for cleaning the fiber. Fiber stripper. Scissors. Tweezers. Premium cleaver. Recommended because it offers better performance and productivity and eliminates the need for inspecting fiber cleaves with a microscope. Marker and millimeter scale. Connector holding tool. Adapter. VFL, and jumper. We'll begin by assembling the holding tool. Snap the VFL into the holding tool. Snap the adapter into the tool. Insert the fiber jumper into the VFL and the adapter. Once the tool is assembled, you'll see that the laser light from the VFL emits from the adapter. Next, we need to prepare the fiber cable. Remove the jacket from about 1 meter of the cable. You'll want to leave enough aramid fiber strength member to secure inside the fiber cabinet. This will help prevent the cable from being snagged behind the rack. Now we need to insert the connector into the tool. The keying latch should face down and the translucent window should face up. Begin by sliding the strain relief boot onto the fiber. Then, strip the plastic coatings off the fiber and expose about 30 millimeters of fiber. Clean the fiber with a lint-free wipe with isopropyl alcohol and mark the buffer 13 millimeters from the end. Again, we recommended using a premium cleaver to produce higher quality cleaves and reduce installation times. To get started, press down and slide the latch to open the cleaver. Press in the slide until it latches. Place the stripped fiber in the cleaver with a buffer at 8 millimeters. Close the holder over the fiber and press down on the cleave head. Your fiber is now cleaved and the fiber shards are safely stored in the cleaver. Open the activation tab on the connector by pushing it forward. Next, Insert the fiber into the back of the connector until you feel firm contact inside the connector and the mark on the buffer is within 1 millimeter of the connector. Close the clamp by sliding it with your fingernail or holding the stylus in the holding tool. Absence of light in the window means that your termination is successful. If light is still present after closing the clamp, simply reopen, move the fiber slightly, and try again. The connector can be reused up to 5 times. After you successfully close the clamp, remove the connector from the holding tool, press on the strain relief boot, and replace the dust cover to protect the ferrule. You've now successfully completed the termination of the Ortronics Lumen connector. We hope you've seen how this easy termination method ensures successful installations and superior performance to give you a new level of confidence in fiber field installations. For more information, contact your local sales representative or visit www.legrand.us/Ortronics.